Welcome to Techelipat channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shape style on Microsoft Excel. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document, and you can see in this document a shape is already created. If you want to change your shape style, at first you have to select the shape, then you can find shape format tab, then just click here. And at the top you can find shape style option, and from here you can change your shape style. Just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Here you can find so many shape style and you can choose any style as you like. Now if I click here again, and that's it. Now if you want to set this style, just click here and you can see shape style has been changed successfully. If I click here again, now if you scroll down, then you can find more shape style. If I select it, and that's it. You can also add your shape effects, shape outline, and change your shape color from here. And that is how you can change shape style on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.